After staying for so long, I have decided to leave my house with all the precaution, and I'm going to Ozark Scenic Riverways, which is a 3-hour drive from where I currently stay. I'm on my way to pick a friend. I have Rahul here with me. Hey Rahul. Yeah, you can drive. And welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. We did a quick pit stop, bought some granola bars for all the activities that we're gonna have. I think it will be good to have some things that you can eat handy. And now we are eating these yummy sandwiches that Ashish made. Unfortunately, he couldn't make into the plan. But yeah, thanks Ashish. The sandwiches are really good. And we have Girish with me. Hey Girish.
Hey, hi.
As you guys know, Rahul.
What's up?
We'll quickly finish this and then I'll see you guys very soon when we actually reach the spot. It's another an hour drive from here. The first spot of the day is Blue Spring. It's a half-a-mile walk from the parking to the spring. It's ranked 8th largest Missouri spring and has an average flow of 87 million gallons of water every day. I think that's the one where we have to go. I can see the blue color from here, so let's go. It really is blue. I wonder what's making this water blue. Is this some phenomenon? It's just so awesome. For a second, I don't feel like I am in Missouri. I feel like I'm somewhere else, like really, really far. Maybe Malaysia or Thailand, I don't know. Blue water, where is it? It's right here in Missouri. I think this is one of the exciting things about staying in US, that you go for a long drive. By long, I mean actually long drive, and not just a long drive where you're stuck in traffic and then you call it a long drive because it was too long. But you go for a long drive and then you land to a place like this, which is completely out of nowhere and miles covered with greenery. It's just so awesome. And then seeing something what we just saw, the blue water spring, it was just so amazing. For a second I felt I was in Thailand or Malaysia or somewhere else. But it was a very small spot. It wasn't even a big pond size. It was a very small spot. And if you know what is causing the water to change to the color of blue, then comment below and I'll try to find out as well. We just came back in the car and now we are going to the next spot. Drank some water. It's really hot out there and it feels such a relief when you're back in the car. Right, Rahul?
With the AC.
With the AC on.
The wrong day for wearing jeans today.
Girish here was responsible for getting food for us and he has bought really nice pulao and also packed in these dabbas. These spoons, like everything on spot. So we'll quickly eat and then we are gonna rent a canoe and probably go for a ride. So I'm on a canoe with Rahul. We have Giri somewhere in the back and there's so many people here chilling and having fun with no social distancing, but we are staying away from them. We are from like 20 minutes in the water. If you can see, I'm sweating really bad because it's really hot. Oh, finally Girish is here. He was stuck behind and we were like going slow so that he could catch up, and he finally did. Oh my god! Are you okay? All of us are really tired. We were getting a headache. Especially I feel like someone has hammered my head. So we came to a place to get coffee in this town. How are you guys feeling?
Tired. Exhausted.
Me too. Now we are to the next point, which is Ali Spring. The canoeing thing was like really very tiring. I almost broke. Like if you see, this is if you see. So that is because our canoe got stuck in one of the places, and we were trying to get it out. In that, this was on my head, and I don't know if there was a tree or something. It hit my head, and then this stuck me here, and it was really bad. So I don't know. I'll try to get this fixed. If not, we'll see what to do about it. So let's go and see what the alley is about. This is that mill I was talking about, and that's the spring. So the previous part that I showed you was the other end of the spring, and this is the actual start of the spring. And can you imagine how beautiful this looks? This is the 7th largest spring in Missouri, producing 81 million gallons of water per day. Its water can be as cool as 58 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 14 degrees Celsius, which explains the fog over it. The mill was built in 1894, and the spring water was used to power it. This is that part that was covered under fog and we couldn't see it from the entrance. So right now we are going to get some food because it's already around 7:30 here, and there was another spot in the plan, but we are probably going to drop that off because it will take around 25 minutes to reach there. And these places are kind of small towns. They don't really have a lot of big chain restaurants or outlets. So
Most of the shops close early.
yes, by 8 or 9. So I'm recording this after a couple of days from the trip, and I was editing the vlog. Then I realized that I did not end it because I came home that day very late, like around 2 or 3 in the morning, and I was sleeping the whole time we left from that place after dinner till I reached home because I was really exhausted. And the next day also I pretty much slept the whole day because my whole body was aching. It was a very nice trip, but it was also physically exhausting. So that's why I was not able to edit the vlog last weekend, and the whole week went kind of crazy. I was busy with work and there was some other things coming up, so I couldn't do that either. But I have done it half, but I'm not able to resume the later editing. And now I was going out for a drive, and then I thought, why don't I end the vlog and go, so that tomorrow morning I can at least finish the editing and put the vlog out soon. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow it so that you get the latest update of when the vlog is out. And I also misplaced my selfie stick. I can't find it, and now I'm holding it in my hand and my hand is hurting really bad. So I need to end the vlog. If you like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.